Now look at the size of those nacelles, especially the inboard nacelles. The bottom edge of those nacelles is only 8 to 18. So they have to be so skilled, because if they get more than about 3 degrees worth of bank, they'll be scraping those nacelles.
The boom is being flown right now. There it is, the Kc-135.
When they reconfigured these with the new engines, they take them to Oklahoma City. Tinker Air Force Base is one of the places where they do this work. It was a 54,000-piece kit to turn.
No, actually, I'm not. Trust me, I'm not. I'm going to be. 322,000 pounds of airplane, just a few inches off the ground. That's what these big engines allow it to do. And the crew like it big and round. And I gotta do this, I'm sorry. Because if you're like me, folks, you like passing a lot of gas, don't win. I'm glad one of us did. Perfect. And again, you're not going to hear the reverse thrusters because it doesn't happen.
I couldn't. I'm trying so hard.
Kc-135.
April absolutely today was like, she's probably going to toe down though. She was like,